Silence is a powerful tool that can enrich our lives, allowing us to connect deeply with ourselves and the world. Embracing silence offers clarity, insight, and personal transformation. Silence has historical significance across various cultures, where it is seen as sacred and a path to enlightenment. Philosophers and spiritual leaders have long recognized its transformative potential. Silence is often misunderstood as loneliness, yet fosters connection and understanding with ourselves and others. It serves as a bridge to deeper relationships and self-awareness. In our noisy world, we often avoid silence due to discomfort, but facing this discomfort can lead to personal growth and healing. Embracing silence allows us to confront our fears. Silence is a profound state of being that transcends mere quiet. It fosters clarity, peace, and a deeper connection to one's true self, essential for personal growth. Understanding the difference between silence and quiet is crucial. Silence is an inner stillness that allows for reflection, while quiet is just the absence of noise. Welcome to Englisher, Learn by Listening, your daily dose of English listening and learning practice. This content is used strictly for educational purposes to improve your English listening skills. If you like this video, support this channel by subscribe and like the video. The power of silence. Different cultures and philosophies, such as Buddhism and Stoicism, recognize silence as a transformative force. Silence promotes self-discovery and emotional stability, enhancing personal growth. Research indicates that embracing silence can reduce stress and anxiety. It fosters resilience and enhances creativity by allowing minds to process thoughts without distractions. Silence has significant neurological benefits that positively affect brain function and structure. Engaging with silence promotes creativity, emotional regulation, and cognitive enhancement, making it vital for mental health. Research shows that just 2 minutes of silence can significantly reduce stress hormones and promote new cell production in the brain. This highlights silence's capacity to enhance cognitive functioning. Silence serves as a powerful tool for stress reduction, allowing the brain to relax and the body to heal. Regular periods of silence can lead to improved overall well-being. Engaging in silent activities fosters greater self-awareness and emotional regulation. This introspection helps individuals align their choices with their true selves, promoting authentic living. Incorporating silence into daily routines promotes mindfulness and enhances overall well-being. Simple practices like meditation and nature walks can deepen this experience, fostering inner peace. Starting the day with silence can set a positive tone for the day ahead, enhancing focus and presence. Taking deep breaths upon waking helps cultivate awareness. Engaging in nature walks allows individuals to connect with their surroundings, fostering stillness and peace. Observing nature enhances the benefits of silence and mindfulness. Digital detox is essential to reclaim inner peace by reducing technology-related distractions. Setting boundaries around tech use promotes moments of silence and reflection. Silence is essential for developing intuition, making decisions, and promoting personal well-being in a noisy world. By embracing silence, we can connect with our inner wisdom and enhance clarity in our lives. Regular silent practices like meditation and nature walks can strengthen intuition and help us attune to our instincts. This leads to better decision-making in various life aspects. Silence can be a powerful tool for resolving conflicts, allowing individuals to reflect instead of react. This pause promotes understanding and paves the way for constructive dialogue. Spiritual growth is often enhanced through silence, enabling deeper connections with the divine or our higher selves. Regular quiet reflection can clarify beliefs, values, and purpose in life. Taking time for silence enhances personal well-being and improves relationships. Embracing silence not only boosts mental clarity, but also fosters deeper connections through effective communication. Creating a self-care mantra can help reinforce the importance of silence in your life. This practice affirms your right to take time for yourself without guilt. Establishing rituals around silence, like meditation or nature retreats, can deepen your commitment to this practice. Consistency is key for long-term benefits and personal growth. Silence plays a crucial role in effective communication, allowing for reflection and thoughtful responses. It can lead to deeper understanding and emotional intimacy in relationships. Embracing silence enhances productivity and focus by creating a conducive work environment. This practice allows individuals to channel their energy effectively and improve their overall efficiency. Cultivating mindfulness through silence encourages living in the present moment, enhancing awareness and appreciation for life. This mindfulness can deepen our connection to ourselves and others. Silence plays a crucial role in spiritual growth by providing moments for reflection and connection with the divine. Engaging in silence can foster deeper understanding and insight into our life purpose. Practicing silence helps build resilience by allowing us to confront fears and anxieties calmly. This acceptance enables better emotional regulation and coping skills in challenging situations. Creating a dedicated space and time for silence enhances personal reflection and mindfulness. Incorporating silence into daily routines helps cultivate inner peace and emotional clarity. Establishing a sanctuary for quiet time signals your mind to engage in relaxation, reinforcing the importance of silence in your life. This practice can enhance daily productivity. Scheduling regular quiet time in your calendar, just like important tasks, emphasizes the significance of these moments. Consistency in practice helps strengthen the habit of embracing silence. Engaging in digital detoxes is crucial to disconnect from noise and distractions, allowing for deeper experiences of silence. This practice can lead to reduced stress and improved mental clarity. Embracing silence plays a crucial role in personal growth and healing by allowing individuals to confront their emotions and fostering a deeper understanding of their purpose. This process enhances emotional resilience and helps navigate life's challenges more effectively. Silence serves as a powerful tool for emotional healing, allowing individuals to process feelings and confront unresolved emotions in a safe environment. This is especially beneficial during times of grief and trauma. Periods of silence can enhance creativity and innovation, providing a space for the mind to wander and make new connections. This phenomenon is often described as the incubation effect, leading to breakthroughs. Silence can deepen spiritual experiences by facilitating a connection with the divine and fostering feelings of peace and unity. Engaging in silent practices like meditation can lead to profound insights. Embracing silence amidst life's chaos is crucial for mental well-being and personal growth. It encourages clarity and emotional resilience, allowing one to navigate life's challenges more effectively. Integrating moments of silence into daily life fosters a deeper relationship with tranquility, enhancing clarity, creativity, and emotional strength. Small victories in silence can lead to significant well-being improvements. Building a community around silence can enhance personal journeys. Engaging groups for mindfulness or shared silent experiences promotes collective appreciation and shared growth. Regular self-reflection through silence is essential for personal development. Journaling insights from quiet moments can drive deeper understanding of emotions and relationships. Cultivating silence in daily life enhances clarity and focus, serving as a powerful anchor amidst the demands of modern living. This practice fosters mindfulness, resilience, and emotional well-being. Incorporating moments of silence during transitions can help you stay grounded and present, enhancing your overall well-being and fulfillment. This can include mindful breathing or quiet walks. Mindfulness practices deepen your relationship with silence by enhancing your awareness of thoughts and emotions, allowing you to experience silence more profoundly and connect with your inner self. Sharing the benefits of silence with others encourages a community that values introspection and mindfulness, fostering deeper conversations about mental health and self-care.